microorganisms. They are capable of rapidly multiplying and can exist in any climate that has food and shelter. Bacteria exist inside and outside our bodies. Most of them are harmless, but some bacteria cause diseases. One harmful bacteria is the cause of the bubonic plague. It all starts with a rat that happens to carry the bacteria. When the flea drinks the rat's blood, the bacteria multiplies in the flea's gut. The flea's gut is then clogged with bacteria. The flea bites a human, regurgitating blood into the open wound, so the human is then infected. A vector or host to a disease is something that gives shelter and food to the disease in order for it to survive. The symptoms of the bubonic plague are blood clotting, rotting skin, internal bleeding, black boils on the skin, nausea, and blood blisters that form under the skin, which is where the name bubonic plague comes from.
The plague in 1348 was devastating. It killed almost half of Europe's population. Travel and trade made a big impact with the spread of the plague. With rodents being on the trading ships, the spread of the plague was easy. They would be the ones who would spread the plague to humans. With merchants trading goods at different ports, many people would get infected, and later discovered trade came to a halt. Another factor that helped the devastation for the plague was sanitation and diet. Large cities were infested with lice, fleas, and rats due to the lack of sanitation. The sewage system was the worst. Waste would go into the river that was used for transportation. It was also used for cleaning. Diet and hygiene was poor, so the victim would have a weak immune system. Most of the treatments were harmful. Some of the treatments included bathing in human urine, using leeches, eating figs, draining the infected spots, and not sleeping. The most common treatment was bloodletting. Bloodletting was cutting yourself, that way the bad blood could leave the body, and that way the new blood could come into the body. Since there wasn't a cure, about 400 million people died.
States that have reported bubonic plague in the last 25 years include California, northern New Mexico, northern Arizona, southern Colorado, and far western Nevada. Since February 22, 1902, there have been 31 deaths from bubonic plague in San Francisco and 3 other outside the city. A bacterium that is spread from rodent to rodent by infected fleas spread the disease of bubonic plague. Other animals serve as vectors and carry the infection to humans. To prevent bubonic plague, avoid flea bites, bathe in hot water as frequently as you can. If you live in areas where plague occurs, treat pets, dogs, and cats for flea control regularly, and not allow these animals to roam freely. Treatment for bubonic plague should start as quickly as possible. The modern antibiotics are effective, which include streptomycin, gentamicin, tetracycline.
The Black Plague began with a minor outbreak of bubonic plague, which started in the Gobi Desert in China. It was transmitted throughout China and reached Europe. They relied on God, so many priests ended up dying. None of the remedies really helped. They just had to wait till the disease died out.